Hi friends, I am Parvathy. October 16, World Food Day. It is an international day celebrated in every year. As a part of World Food Day, I am going to prepare a tasty and healthy drink, Aval milk. For that we need rice flakes, smashed banana, nuts, milk, dates, raisins. First, rice flakes is a good probiotic rich in iron and healthy carbohydrate is there. Milk is rich in calcium, protein. The nuts are good source of fat and fiber and then protein. Then smashed banana. Banana are one of the best source of vitamins and minerals. Potassium in banana is good for heart. Then dates. Dates are high concentration of antioxidants and improve brain functionality. Then next is raisins. Raisins prevent anemia, build and maintain strong bones. So we can start our preparation.